Ever wondered how we transform your DNA into a piece of jewelry? The process is part science, part art, and entirely unique to you. Let me show you exactly how we do it. Once your DNA sample arrives at our facility, we send it directly to our accredited laboratory. Inside the lab, your DNA is analyzed to create your unique genetic profile. This process produces what's called a chromatograph. Think of it as a visual map of specific markers in your DNA. Here's where it gets fascinating. Each part of your genetic profile is highlighted using a different colored dye. These dyes illuminate your alleles, which are the specific genetic markers that make you, you. Each color represents a different aspect of your genetic code. The result? Multiple chromatographs, each showing different parts of your DNA in different colors. Now comes the transformation. We overlay all your chromatographs together, creating a completely unique pattern. This is where your DNA becomes your design. No two patterns are ever the same, because no two people share the same DNA. Your genetic blueprint creates a sequence of colors and spaces that has never existed before and never will again. This pattern becomes the blueprint for your jewelry. Our master craftspeople then translate your genetic pattern into wearable art. Here's how it works. Every space in your DNA sequence becomes a lustrous pearl. Every time an allele appears, a genetic marker in your profile, we place a semi-precious stone. The color of that stone? It matches the dye that highlighted that specific allele in your chromatograph. So if your DNA shows a blue-dyed allele, you get a blue stone. This is the same for any red, yellow, purple, or green dyes. Each dye corresponds to that same colored stone. Your finished piece is a precise, beautiful representation of your DNA profile. Pearls and colored stones arranged in the exact sequence dictated by your DNA. The result is extraordinary. A piece of jewelry that tells your story at the molecular level. Every pearl, every stone, every color, all determined by the genetic code that makes you unrepeatable. Your piece arrives in luxury packaging with a certificate of authenticity. This isn't just jewelry, it's you, translated into design. Ready to discover your design? Visit www.mydesigner.co.uk to start your journey.